In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Schedule 1 not starting or launching on Steam in just 5 minutes. If you've experienced this frustrating problem, don't worry, you're not alone, and the solution is just a few steps away. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to open the Task Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard, or by right-clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and selecting Task Manager. It's important because sometimes programs running in the background can interfere with the startup of Steam or its games. Once Task Manager is open, locate Steam in the list of running processes. With Steam selected, click on End Task located at the bottom right of the window. By doing this, you'll ensure that Steam is completely shut down, resolving any temporary glitches that might be occurring. Next, you need to find the Steam application on your computer. You can use the search bar in Windows, typically near the Start menu, to quickly locate it. Simply type Steam and it should come up right away. When you've found it, you'll want to run the application as an administrator. Right click on the Steam app icon, and from the drop down menu select Run as Administrator. Running a program with administrative privileges can sometimes bypass issues regarding permissions, which could potentially prevent Schedule 1 from launching. After Steam starts running, proceed to log in with your credentials. This step ensures you're connecting to your account and all your library games are accessible. Now head to your library where all your games are listed. In here find Schedule 1. Once you've located the game, you're going to right click on it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, choose Properties. The Properties window is where you can alter specific settings for the game. Inside the Properties, go to the Installed Files tab. This tab offers features related to the game's files on your device. Finally, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This feature is critical when you suspect some of the game files might be corrupted or missing. What this does is check your game files against what Steam has on its servers and automatically downloads any corrupted or missing files, ensuring that your game installation is complete and correct. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most of the common issues preventing Schedule 1 from launching. If you find that the problem persists, there may be deeper software or hardware issues at play, but this process will fix the issue more often than not. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully you're now back in action enjoying your games.